Well, for some couples, having a baby is a process met with challenges.
But there are many options to help them bring home their own little bundle of joy. Dr. Marwan Shaykh has been helping couples conceive since 1985, and he has tons of success stories. One which is right here with us today. Kelly Casares. Did I say it right?
Yes.
Oh, God, you did say I was
nice.
going to. Casares? Casares. And her son, her bundle of joy, Austin. What's up, Austin? How are you?
He's like, stranger.
What is going on? Dr. Shaykh, thank you both so much for being here, and we'll get to your story in just a second. But Dr. Shaykh, infertility is part of that. I mean, obviously, are you finding a lot with men, or an issue with the guys?
50% of the couples, the man is the reason.
Really?
50%, yes. Actually, 25% is the man and the woman are a problem.
Yeah, you know, there's some men that have or are concerned about, you know, or you have seen in your office with low sperm count. Is there something that can be done to, if someone suffers from this, to be able to still conceive?
Absolutely. In 1992, there was literally a big revolution in the treatment of male infertility, something called ICSI, or intracytoplasmic sperm injection. That's where you can take one sperm literally and inject it to the egg to fertilize it. So now men who basically have no sperm in their ejaculate, you can go to their testicles and get a sperm and get their wives pregnant.
One.
That's all you need.
I mean, you always hear it's, you know, I don't know if it's millions or billions, and of those, it takes only one, but just one.
Normally, you need 20 million or more in a normal, natural conception. But if men have very, very, very low sperm count, you can still help them achieve a pregnancy.
Wow. What did you do in this case with Kelly and her husband?
Kelly's husband had a vasectomy and vasectomy reversal that had failed. So what we did, we went again to the testicle, got sperm, and made this guy.
So it was so he had a vasectomy, and then it was reversed and that didn't take, so it didn't release.
Right.
Okay. Wow.
Austin's
He is
too
on
cute.
I know.
He is on the move.
On the move.
He's
got a
flirting
train.
already.
He's got places to go.
With Jovi.
It's Christmas. He's got things to do.
So Kelly, you got to be just so happy when you see him every day. Because when you
Austin.
Walk us through the process when you were trying to have a little one. Was it disappointing? Obviously, at first, did you try and it just?
Actually, we tried for 7 years.
Wow.
We did 9 IUIs, 8 failed. 1 resulted in a pregnancy, which I lost due to a miscarriage. And then the doctor we were with just kind of left us hanging, told us there was a possibility I would never conceive. So thanks to a friend, we were referred to see Dr. Shaykh, and we knew instantly he was the one for us. He made it feel like it was just as important for him for us to have a baby as it was for us. And he made us feel like friends and not just another case. And I have my miracle.
He is, and he is a cutie pie to boot. Listen, when you found out that you were finally pregnant and you were expecting this beautiful boy, what was just going through your mind?
Thank you, God. Thank you, assisted fertility.
Oh, bless your heart. You're going to make Nick cry. He already is. Oh, you're saying.
What are you going to do? I mean,
it really is such a special story. It really is, because it just,
when you think everything is, that's it. Yeah. When you have somebody literally telling you it's not going to happen.
Right.
And then to have Dr. Shaykh come in and say, no, we'll find a way, and then to find a way and do it.
And how special is this for you to be able to see these cases come into your office and then to have such miracles come out?
Very special. Yeah. Because remember, like we have successes, we have failures, which are really a problem psychologically, even for me.
Oh, I can imagine.
And the couple. So when we see things like that, it makes you very, very happy.
Yeah.
Absolutely. And Kelly, what was the process like for you? So when you went in, you met with him, and he said, let's see what we can do. Walk us through just a little bit.
He did a few tests to see, like, my fallopian tubes, to see how they looked and all of that stuff. Everything was done in his office, as far as the egg retrieval and the egg transfer, putting the embryos back in. All of that was done in his office, which made it super easy and comforting for my husband and I. It was less stressful that way, which in this case you need to be a little
Stress-free.
Yeah.
You
Yeah,
you can't
stress
have
is
any
the
of
last thing that you need, and
Yes.
you've probably been dealing with enough.
Yes.
You know, this is really a testament. I figured you were from the area, but you came in from Georgia specifically to be on the show today to talk about your story.
correct. And because I hope other struggling couples may see this and they can see firsthand proof that it can happen.
Yeah.
You know, just you need to be comfortable with who you with and the doctor that you're seeing. And I would recommend Dr. Shaykh a million times over. He definitely helped us. We were just two people, my husband and I, wanting a baby, and that's what we got.
And there he is. Now listen, let me ask you, are you going to try to have any more children, or am I putting you on the spot?
No, I think we're done.
You're good.
I think you're done after all that you've been through. I can understand why.
How old is Austin now?
He'll be 2 next month.
Yeah.
2. Wow.
He is just too much. Precious, precious. And then Dr. Shaykh, if someone is watching right now and they are experiencing something that you are going through or have gone through, how do they get in contact with you? Do they just call the office and do an appointment? And how does it work?
Well, obviously they can call the office, 904-398-1473, or if they're out of town, there's an 800 number, 777-4831, or
And you walk them
IVF1.
through the process.
And we walk them through the process. And we have a website, assistedfertility.org, and all that information is on the website.
That's great.
It's a great place to start. You don't have to. We're 7 years, bless your heart.
Thank you for sharing
All right,
that.
thank you. Yeah, that
Really.
was a
And
great
traveling
story.
from Georgia to share it.
Yes.
Oh,
all
it's
right.
no problem. Whenever can give other couples hope, then I think that's where we need to be.
That's
So
fantastic.
Well, Merry
Thank you.
Christmas.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's going to be a special one. All right, thank you so much, Dr. Shaykh,
Thank
for
you.
coming
Did you
on.
put something, you
Yes.
got something in your mouth?
I don't know
Did you
if
put
I
something in there?
eat that.
Nope, just fingers.
I'm going to do the
Just
pet
fingers.
segment too, so I don't know if that's a good thing.
Our thanks to Dr. Shaykh and Assisted Fertility Program for sponsoring this segment. For more information, you can go to their website, assistedfertility.org, or you can also call them, as Dr. Shaykh said, at 398-1473.